Today, I'm revealing an easy DIY exfoliating secret that help remove dry skin, smooth your texture, and instantly boost your natural glow. Start with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato. Then, 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Mix everything well until smooth. Your natural glow scrub is ready. Want smooth, glowing skin naturally. This simple DIY blend of sugar, tomato juice, and almond oil works as a powerful exfoliating and brightening treatment. Sugar gently removes dry skin cells, while tomato help control excess oil and brighten your skin. Almond oil deeply nourish and soften, leaving your skin feeling smooth and hydrated. Together, this combo help refresh dull skin and reveal a more radiant, rejuvenated glow. Use it regularly and glow naturally.